how to solve 1 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 9 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 9 power x in both sides. So divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x. Now we see this 9 power x will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now from here we see x same power but different base. So according to this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. So according to this formula you can write here on over 9, then bracket common power x plus, we see again x same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule we can write here 3 over 9, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 3 square is same as 9. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus here 3 divided by 3, that means it will be 1. 9 divided by 3, that means it will be 3. So we have 1 over 3, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule I can write here 1 by 3 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2, then plus 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power x, 1 by 3 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b is as 1, then c will be equal to negative 1. Now we can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus. 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4. Then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now remember that let 1 by 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 1 by 3 bracket power x. So y, that means it will be 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or y, that means it will be 1 by 3 bracket power x. So 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power any number is always positive, but this is negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to log of plus square root of 5, that means square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2. Now here I can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r moved to the base. So according to this rule, I can compare here this power x will move to the base. So you can write here x log 1 by 3 is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 1 by 3 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 3 divided by log of 1 by 3. Now we see this log of 1 by 3, this log of 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this. That means here I can apply this formula log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, this divided by this, that means it will be log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 3. So this is the how to solve x power 7 is equal to 196. Find the value of x. So we have x power 7 is equal to 196 can be written as 14 square. Now we multiply by power of 7 in both sides. So multiply by power of 7, multiply by power of 7. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, we can write here x power 7, then bracket power of x to the power 7, then is equal to, here we can apply this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So according to this formula, we can write here 14 power of 2 times 7, that means it will be 14. Now let x power 7 is substituted by y, because x power 7 both terms is same, so let x power 7 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 14 power of 14. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, you can compare here, y will be equal to 14. But remember that x power 7 is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be x power 7 then is equal to 14. Now we need the value of x. So we multiply by power of 1 by 7 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 7, multiply by power of 1 by 7. Now this 7 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to 14 power of 1 by 7 can be written as 7th root of 14. So 7th root of 14, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.